Right now, you are now tuned in. Let's get.
It's your boy, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, La Mama, you know what it is. It's your boy, ladies and gentlemen.
Look so good.
I guess that's why you making your eyes at me too. You know,
With she looks so good. She don't need no makeup on.
Back with another video, back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. Today, I want to talk to you about some pros and cons that I have thought of with doing self-retightening. I've been doing my own retightenings with my 8-month babies for the last 2 months. And at the end of January will be my 3rd time self-retightening. And I've been caring for my own Sisterlocks for the last 3 months. Okay, so I don't have a consultant, and I'm in this journey bowdy on my own. Okay, on my own, standing 10 toes down, ain't about to give up. I'm against it. No, just playing. So I thought about some pros and cons that I have found with self-retightening, and if you are thinking about self-retightening, then maybe this could help you. But I wanted to see how y'all like my hair. I changed it up today. So y'all let me know if y'all like this style or not.
is your queen to be, a queen to be forever, a queen who'll do whatever His Highness desires.
You know what y'all think about this little mohawk situation? Okay, so let's get right to it. One of my main pros that I've noticed and I always thought about is that I was going to be saving some paper. Okay, boo-boo, saving some paper. I'm saving money by doing my self-retightening because I don't have to pay to get my hair done, and also I don't have to travel to get my hair done, and I just don't have to worry about getting my hair done. So that expense is, you know, deleted out of my budget. Another pro is I don't have to rely on anybody. So like if I want to do my hair, I can just do it. I don't have to worry about anyone's schedule being booked, me having to like call and make an appointment, or me being last minute, because baby, I am so last minute. I would be calling her the night before. No, I'm just playing. I was doing good with my appointments when I did have a consultant, but I am very last minute. So I like to just, you know, sparingly, I just want to do it this day type thing. So I liked having that ability to just say I want to do my hair this weekend and chill out and watch Netflix. You know what I'm saying? Another pro is it really gave me self-insurance and the ability to take care of my hair. Like now that I've done it, like I was so nervous about self-retightening. I'm like, I'm gonna mess my hair up. I'm going to mess it up. And I was like, am I considering not having Sisterlocks? Like they said, when you do your self-retightening, you don't have Sisterlocks no more. Is that true? Is it true? Y'all gotta tell me, because you know I don't know. I'm trying to figure out all these things. Okay, I don't know. But so I was very nervous with the whole idea of self-retightening. Also, I have micro-sized Sisterlocks, so my locks are very small in the front. They're very close together, and I just thought that I wasn't gonna be able to do it. Okay, so now the pro is that I finally got the confidence, and I feel like I'm reassured that I can do it, and now it's becoming easy. So once I did it, I got it done, I was good. Another pro that I noticed is I feel like I have natural hair freedom now. And that's what I wanted with Sisterlocks. But I felt like I didn't have the pure freedom that I wanted because I had to rely on someone else to care for my hair. I had to ask questions before I did anything to my hair. I just felt like I needed to follow by these rules that this person set for me because they're my consultant. And now I feel like I got freedom because I can do whatever I want to do with my hair because I'm my own consultant. Okay. after a while, you can learn how to do the craft. You know what I'm saying? You get so good at self-retitling, you can retighten other people's hair, become a consultant, and make some paper on the side or full time, however you want to do it. But you can make it out of a hustle. So I think that's a pro. At con, the first con of self-retitling is it takes a long time. It takes a very long time to self-retighten. You have to set out some time, some days, some hours, some minutes, forever to do this, okay? But with a consultant, it takes probably like 2-3 hours, 4 hours at the most, you know. But with self-retightening, it can take days, like years. Not just playing, but it did take me like 8 to 9 hours to do my self-retightening, and I want to get a little faster than that. But yeah, it takes a lot of time. So that's my number one con. You gotta be patient and you gotta set aside that time so you can get it done. Another con is you don't have anyone that you can rely on. Like a pro and a con is that a pro is you don't have to rely on anybody, but then the second con is you don't have anybody to rely on. You don't have anybody to call on when you are in a struggle, or when some slippage happened, or some bunchings going on, or when you're taking care of your own locks. They are basically all on you, whatever happens to them, because you can't blame it on anybody else and you can't ask anybody else for help. So that's a con that you have to accept. Self-retightening. My locks, like I had like 3 locks that got tangled up. So that was like, at that point, like when it happened the 3rd time, because they got tangled up good, and I had like some acrylic nails on, so I couldn't just untangle them because it was like the micro size ones, and those bad boys got tangled quick. Like they was wrapped up together. They was about to try to be together forever, for life, besties. But I had to take off my nails and then take them off.
Sorry, can I go out there and show them?
Sure. I had to take off my nails, y'all, so I can untie these things. First, I'm about to be like, forget it. I'm just going to have some 3 big locks in my head randomly. But I was like, dang, 3 knots equals 6 locks. And I'm like, I don't know what this means. Anyways, I didn't want to have, I just didn't want to have that situation. So I took off my acrylic nails and I untied them. It took some time to get them untied. I guess like when I was pulling the tool through, another one got caught in there some type of way, and it made a knot at the root. 3 freaking times. 3 times. I almost left it, for real. You might have to snip sometimes. I'm learning that. I bought some scissors. I'm gonna pop a picture on. I am going to use these scissors because I've been pulling when I see marrying, when I feel marrying, like when I feel like some of my locks trying to connect at the roots or whatever. I've been just like pulling it out or wherever it's tangled, and I think that's gonna cause more damage with my locks than me just going in and take these little bitty scissors and just snip that little bitty piece and just let it, you know, go, because the strings, the hairs from another lock will try to get tangled in and lock with another lock that's close to it or whatever. And that's called marrying. So you gotta divorce them mugs, because you don't want no marrying and you don't want no babies and all that up in your head, okay? We ain't having no happy weddings up in this head of mine. I know that for sure, So I'm gonna use those scissors and I'm gonna snip those little parts and keep going with my life. So you have to be aware of that. Also, like when you do snip them, use the little ones, because if you use regular scissors, you can accidentally chop off your whole lock. You know what I'm saying? You can accidentally do that. So you don't want to do that. So you better get them little scissors, okay? Get the little ones. Okay, so if any damage happens to your locks, it's all on you. So that's another kind. If you decide to color and your hair fall out, if you know, start retightening the wrong way, you get holes and you get You got lots that are thinning out. It's all on you, sis. It ain't nobody else fault but y'all now. So you can't blame nobody, okay? You can't blame nobody. So those are the pros and cons that I see. Y'all let me know if y'all got any pros and cons for self-retightening. Because I would love to hear from you. Drop it down in the comments real smooth. Drop down some fire emojis. It's been a long time since people been dropping some fire emojis down. Drop down some fire emojis if this channel is lit. And yeah. Let me show you real quick my setup, because you know I am doing a series on how to build your channel. So I'm going to show you today. I'm showing you my setup of this video right here. So let me show you how I got it. I'm going to show you like my pants. Sometimes I be having like pajama. Sometimes I do like pajama pants on or something like that. But today I got these pants. I got these pants today. Which I would never wear these outside or whatever. But nobody wasn't going to see it. So, you know. And then, I don't know if I can show y'all my right there. A little cheap lamp. I need to buy some new light bulbs though. I got this lamp right here. I got a picture on the wall that I just, you know, have on my wall. I got this stool that spins so then I can be able to show you my hair, and it's squeaky as ever. So here, I had my phone up here. Let me show y'all how I have stand for my phone. Stack up. You can stack it. You can stack it. You can stack it up with books if you want to. And then I could have used this lamp too, but I need light bulbs. My setup right there.
And that's love. That's love. And that's love.
One taught me patience, and one taught me pain. I'm so amazing to love and love. That's not what I see. So look what I got. Look what you taught me. Yeah, but I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful.
This is what the light looks like if I film by the window. What y'all think about that light? See, my windows. Y'all let me know which light is better.